Alright, you can definitely blame me because I was the one that actually created all these problems. But, that's a little fail. Put that y down there. Okay, so we got some more negative exponents. So I would just sort of move everything around. So this means there really should be three x's should actually be down here. So there's actually going to be 3 more. So 1x plus 3x should actually be a 4x over there. And then what's going on here? Well, we're going to have a double swap. So these 4 negative y's go up here. So that should become 4 positive y's, y to the 4th. And here, this is the double swap. So you got like this negative x1 comes down there, this x negative squared comes there. So let's just rewrite this. So we got the 4 here, the x left the top, so now it's down here. So we got 3x's plus 1x, which is 4x. We got y squared there. And then over here, we got some crazy double swappage there. And we got x squared up there, x1 down there. And we got y4. And then, actually, no. Yeah, we just got y1, and then other y would be y4. So here, we can sort of just get a total of what we have. So we can think about all the numbers. So 4 times 9 is 36. Down the bottom, 6 times 6 is also 36. Hey, those are going to cancel out. What about how many y's are on top? 1 y, 2 y's, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 y's up here. And I can't spell because I forgot the x squared, so that's x squared there. In the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's plus another x, which is 5 x's there. And then we got 2 y's down here. So obviously the 36's cancel out, and you got a bunch here. So the easiest thing might just be to write all out. So you got y, 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 x, x. Try it backwards. Y, y, and then 5x is x, 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 x. X, so you cancel out those x's and you cancel out those y's, and then there should be your answer. You have 4 y's on top and 3 x's on bottom, so the answer will just be y to the 4th over x cubed. Is there an easier way to solve this? All right, let's try it out. So let's do this. Let's do the focus on the first part here. X negative x, y, that's not right, it's negative 3 over 6xy squared. Well, that just becomes 2/3 y over y squared. Well, let's do this. Those 3 x's come down there, so that becomes x to the 4th. And then we have y over y squared. Remember, that's like y. One of those cancel out, so you just have another y. So there's a lot of stuff down there. Now what about up here? So we have 9x negative 1y over 6x negative 2y to the negative 4th. Again, 9 over 6 becomes 3 over 2, and that x comes down here. X's 2 come up there. Y is here, 4 y's come up there. So in reality, there wasn't really much of an easier way of doing it. You'd still have to count all the x's, but you could start canceling out things here, like boom, there's an x up there, and boom, cancel out those y's, and then that x takes out those, and those 2 x's, 2's, and those 3's, and you end up with y4 over x3, which is over here. So anyways, bottom line, tough.